Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalam ala Sayyidil Mursaleen, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. In the last episode, we were talking about the universality of Islam, at the same time our strategy in different countries and different societies. And we said our strategy must be different in Muslim majority countries and where Muslims are in minority. For example, we cannot have the same strategy in Malaysia and Indonesia and Saudi Arabia as we are in India, where about 17 to 20% people are Muslims. Or like a country, for example, USA, where the Muslim population is in between 1.1 to 2%. Here in the West, the Muslims have to be a model. Like Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a model. When he migrated to Medina, people saw him, saw his sincerity, and observed his dawah and his call. And people were accepting Islam in bulk. And only 100 people migrated from Mecca to Medina, but they became 1,000. They became 10,000 in the 8th Hijri. They became 30,000 in the 9th Hijri. And they became 100,000 who made Hajj with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam 3 months before his departure from this dunya. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a model. In the West also, the Muslims have to be a model. And the Islamic movement should know that this is a difficult task. We must establish a Muslim society here, a Muslim family here. We should be good with our wife and children. We should be good to our neighbors. And people in a plural society, we find people here who are Christians, who are Jews, who are Hindus. There are people who do not believe in any religion, people who are secular and liberal. And Muslims, when they come and they live with them, they should be loved by others. Their lawn should be neat and clean. They should observe the rules and regulations of the local norms and culture. They should love their fellow citizens. They should not hate anybody. They should respect the feelings of other people. They should be a good model. The crime rate in Muslim societies should be 0 or to a level which is very, very minimal. So we have to be an ideal. And when the non-Muslims will observe them, that they are good in morality, good in their behavior, and good as good citizens, they will make them a model. And they will have love in the family. Islam believes in a strong family where there is love for children, love and respect for parents, love for elders, uncles and aunts. So these teachings are extremely needed in the society. And we can give and we can share with our fellow citizens. So our strategy must be different, and we cannot imitate. Sometimes we do this mistake. We come from India, we come from Pakistan, we come from Bangladesh, we come from Syria and Palestine, and want to see the exact society here. No, we cannot do that, and we should not expect that. In the new conditions, our strategy should be entirely different, though our goals and objectives never change. Our goal is La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. People should submit to the will of one and only God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Tawheed never changes. The dawah of akhirah never changes. Now, in this society, when the Muslims come as a minority, they make mosques first. Then they make schools, Islamic schools. They make Muslim graveyards. But what is needed here? Muslim colleges and universities. They should contribute to this society. They should give something to the non-Muslims. As good citizens of this country, they should spread the dawah to the other fellow citizens of these countries. And people of other faith should love them. People of other faith should respect them. If they respect other people, and if they honor the freedom that is given by God, freedom of religion and freedom of faith, other peoples will also respect them, and they will be loved by them if they love others. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.